What's up everybody, Femods here, and today I've got a quick video where I'm going to demonstrate to you my very first time working with metal parts for my Gundam. I'm currently working on the amazing master grade Psycho Zaku 4K, which is a massive kit sponsored by Xeon Market. Xeon Market is an excellent place for when you're absolutely into customizing your model kits. They sell all kinds of metal parts, etching parts, resin kits, LEDs and many more fantastic items to make your model kit go from a plastic toy to a real machine. So make sure you check that out, and because they generously helped me so much already with customizing this Zaku, I want to help them too. And because this kit is going to be even more fantastic than it already is, I had to include some metal parts. Did I say some metal parts? A whole lot of metal parts. So thank you so much to Xeon Market for providing me with this massive package. It's not only great for me, but also for you, the people who follow me, to learn how to implement these parts and bring your Gundam to a whole nother level. The master grade Zaku has this huge backpack with tons of exhaust ants. Directly out of the box they look really fake and plastic. I was first thinking of repainting them, but Xeon Market showed me there are tons of metal thrusters options that will make the kit even more realistic. These thrusters come in many different sizes and shapes, and even in various colors. You can place them almost anywhere, and the only thing you need is some glue, a hand drill and maybe some sanding paper. The thrusters come in pairs of 2, because your regular Gundam will have a backpack with 2 thrusters. But because this Gundam is going to the next universe, I will need a lot more. Each thruster consists of a rod which you will glue onto the plastic, the thruster and a little insert to fill up the inside and give it more detail. Start off by analyzing the spot you want to put the thruster. You might have to sand down or cut a little bit of the plastic to make some space. The default thruster will slip over the knob, so you want to get rid of that. After you're done sanding, get your little hand drill and drill a hole about 3 mm deep. Then check to see if it's deep enough by inserting the metal rod that came with your thruster. Like I mentioned before, most of the thrusters consist of 3 parts. To assemble them, take the outer part of the thruster. Then glue the inner part of the thruster inside. Take the mounting rod and place it inside the middle hole. You can adjust how much you want the rod to stick out. If the rod is still too long, you can shorten it by cutting a little bit off the end. Some thrusters come with awesome detailed etching parts. Make sure you apply them in the correct order. If you want to know more about metal etching, check out one of my other videos. The link will be in the description below. Get some super glue and glue the thruster onto your Gunpla. As you can see, 2 drops will be enough. Align your thruster onto the hole and push it through with either some tweezers or your fingers. Just be careful not to glue your fingers together. Beats. And really that's it. Sit back and enjoy your upgraded Gunpla. The easiest way to customize your Gunpla and deliver a more realistic look. It doesn't cost much time and money, and I think it's the easiest way to bring your Gunpla to the next level. Now the last step in your instruction manual is to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to see more Gunpla content and customization. And follow me on Instagram if you want to witness the finished results of the master grade Zaku Psycho 4K. I will see you guys in the next video.